Hey y'all already know we back. About to show y'all how I slay my girl with hair. Let's just get into it, okay? So you want to start back with, you want to start with your straight backs, and then you want to gel all of her edges all the way to the back. Then we're gonna touch it with the blow dryer. Make sure them edges are slicked back, okay? Now that we have the ball cap on, we're gonna go ahead and apply the lace glue. We're gonna put a little bit ahead of her hairline. And y'all do not mind my glue, okay? It is on its last straw, and we're gonna get every little piece of glue up out of that bottle, all right? So, and then after that, we're gonna sew the back of her cap down. And then after we let it dry, we're gonna apply a makeup that closely matches her skin tone. All right, now we're about to put the wig on. Y'all see this wig? My girl was going for green skunk stripes. You know, it's real cute, real different. So we're then gonna cut out the ear tabs and then apply the same makeup that we put on the ball cap on that lace.
And we can ride the boogie, share that beat of love. I wanna ride.
Now we're gonna add some 91% alcohol, making sure we clean that forehead off. And then we're gonna apply the skin protectant. And then after that, we're gonna do 4 layers of the lace glue, making sure that each layer dries completely.
You know the feelings deep inside, so you, what we've been through, I miss you.
And then in between the layers, you're gonna see me starting to curl her hair. This is just really multitasking, you know. We're not just gonna sit there and wait for it to dry and just sit there. We're gonna multitask and get the job done quicker. So that's what you're gonna see me doing. Alright, and y'all already know what we're about to do next. We're about to lay that lace down. Make sure you ask your client to help you hold it just so you can avoid the lumps and clumps and stuff. Get that lace flat.
Nothing is ever take my hand, I promise we'll love again. If you can take my hand, I promise we'll find love again. Yeah. Yeah. You don't even say what's up. Round your bush, you act so tough. Like you never been in love. If you don't quit acting up, along this way you don't end up. I promise. You may think that I'm crazy. You should ask around about me. Put your trust in me, baby. I wake from my slumber.
Alright, now we're about to get into cutting the lace, and you already know I do it in 3 sections, and I go in a super jagged motion. But let me tell y'all why the lace glue tried to be the cask of the show. Like, You see that glue right there trying to come through the lace? Like, it's trying to act like I didn't let it dry completely. But don't worry about it. You already know I finesse stuff and fix stuff all the time. So just trust the process, okay? Just trust it.
Orbiting around and then circle back around to you. Coming back around to you. I'm coming back around. Even on your worst day, love you in the worst way. Circling around for eternity. Going through the motions, you're turning me eternally. Living on my own again. Reaching out to hold your hand.
Alright, now we're gonna pull out the baby hairs. We're doing 3 pieces of baby hairs on each side. You know, the traditional go-to. Then we're gonna hot comb it, and then we're gonna melt that lace back down. Alright, and then I'm gonna go ahead and just finish styling her hair. We just did some loose curls and a little bit of layers. Alright, and then we're gonna comb out the baby hairs, cut them, curl them, and lay them. Okay? And y'all see that green baby hair? That was really it for me. Like, I love that green piece of baby hair. Like, it just snapped. Like, it did what it needed to do. And y'all see, I got my girl right because we's not gonna go out like that because it really tried to play me. Like, it really did, but y'all see my girl got right for her birthday. The little green, like, ooh, it's just so cute. And then y'all already know I'm doing my finishing touches. Thank y'all so much for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe and like my video. Y'all already know I post every week. So I will see y'all next Monday.